Justice Mogoeng, my question is religion-based.
Yayihamba phambili imibuzo ngemibono yakhe yezenkolo kule nhlolo khono yango 2011 abanye ukhomishana baze bezwakalisa ukukhathazeka.
If one looks at that passage in isolation and you try and dissect and understand what it says there literally, it appears to me to be in conflict with your oath of office.
uMogoeng wacacisa ngemibono yakhe.
Context is critical here. Commissioner, I was coming from the position that criticism has been leveled against me on the basis that because I'm a Christian, it is very likely that the rights, the constitutional rights of a community such as the gay and lesbian community or gay and lesbian people, which is a right that conflicts with the Bible or the provisions of the Bible, the likelihood exists, according to the criticism, that I was going to uphold the Bible in total disregard of the constitutional rights of other people insofar as there is a conflict. Now, the point sought to be made, broadly speaking, is the following: that even the Bible expects a Christian to obey the law.
Manje uMogoeng ushiya lesikhundla lingakaxazululwa udaba oluthinta inkulumo ayenza ngonyaka odlule eseka elakwa Israel.
In this webinar, he clearly contradicted government policy on Palestine by saying that criticizing Israel was going against the will of God. The Judicial Service Commission agreed with us, and Justice Mojapelo ordered the Chief Justice to issue an unconditional apology for knowingly becoming involved in political controversy, which is in contravention of the Judicial Service Act.
Kepha uMogoeng wenqaba ukuxolisa.
I will not reject my God. I will not apologize for believing in my God. I will not apologize for being a Christian. I will not apologize for prayer. I will not apologize for holding onto the word of God. I will never. Even if 50 million people can march every day for the next 10 years, for me to retract or apologize for what I say, I will not do it.
uMogoeng wabesedlulisa isinqumo seJSC kulolu daba. Akucaci ukuthi ngabe iJSC izoqhubeka ithathele uMogoeng inyathelo uma esethathe umhlalaphansi uma kuchithwa isicelo sakhe.